Imagine this. You're driving down a winding mountain road, the sun is setting, and the horizon stretches endlessly before you. The engine beneath you hums with power, and every twist of the throttle sends a thrill through your veins. This isn't just any SUV, this is the BMW X5, a machine that redefines what a luxury SUV can be. If SUVs had a personality, the X5 would be the sophisticated, confident leader, the one that effortlessly blends power, elegance, and innovation. It's not just an SUV, it's a statement that says you don't just drive, you command the road. The BMW X5 isn't just an SUV, it's a revolution. Since its debut in 1999, it has set new standards for what a luxury SUV can achieve, combining world-class engineering, advanced technology, and timeless design. It's the vehicle of choice for those who refuse to compromise, those who want the thrill of a high-performance machine without sacrificing the comfort and sophistication of a luxury car. But what makes the X5 so special? Let's take a closer look, because this isn't just an SUV, it's a celebration of innovation, craftsmanship, and performance. First, let's bust some myths, because there are plenty of misconceptions about luxury SUVs in general. Myth number 1. Luxury SUVs are all about comfort, not performance. Wrong. The X5 is proof that you can have both. With its range of powerful engine options, including a 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 that delivers 523 horsepower, it's an SUV that's as thrilling to drive as it is luxurious. Myth number 2. SUVs are bulky and difficult to maneuver. Think again. The X5 features precise steering, advanced suspension, and available rear-wheel steering, making it as agile as a sports sedan. And myth number 3. Luxury SUVs are impractical and expensive to maintain. Not the X5. With its advanced engineering, fuel-efficient options, and BMW's reputation for reliability, it's an SUV that's as practical as it is luxurious. It's not just an SUV, it's a smart, stylish choice for modern drivers. Now, let's talk about some amazing facts that will make you fall in love with the X5 even more. Did you know that the X5 was the first vehicle to introduce BMW's X-Drive all-wheel drive system, which provides exceptional traction and stability in all weather conditions? That's right, this system has become a hallmark of BMW's performance and safety. And here's another jaw-dropping fact. The X5's M50i model can go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds, making it one of the fastest luxury SUVs on the market. It's not just an SUV, it's a powerhouse. But the X5 isn't just about raw power, it's also about comfort and craftsmanship. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by an interior that feels like a first-class lounge. The seats are wrapped in premium leather, the cabin is whisper quiet, and the attention to detail is second to none. From the panoramic sunroof to the 16-speaker Harman Kardon sound system, every element is designed to make you feel pampered. The X5 isn't just an SUV, it's a sanctuary, a place where you can escape the chaos of the world and focus on what really matters. Think about the last time you needed a vehicle that could do it all. The X5 is here to answer that call. With its spacious interior, it can comfortably accommodate up to 7 passengers, making it perfect for family road trips or chauffeuring clients in style. And with 72.3 cubic feet of cargo space with the rear seats folded, the X5 is ready for anything, whether you're hauling luggage, sports gear, or groceries. It's not just an SUV, it's a multitasking marvel. Now, let's talk about performance, because the X5 isn't just about looking good, it's about delivering a driving experience that's as powerful as it is refined. The X5 offers a range of engine options, from the efficient 3.0-liter turbocharged inline-6 to the exhilarating 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8. The top-tier 5.8 engine delivers 523 horsepower and 553 pound-feet of torque, propelling the X5 from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.1 seconds. Whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets, the X5 delivers a ride that's as smooth as it is confident. And with available adaptive air suspension and integral active steering, it's ready for any road, or lack thereof. But what really sets the X5 apart is its commitment to innovation. This is an SUV that's packed with cutting-edge technology, from the 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster to the latest iDrive infotainment system. The iDrive system offers seamless connectivity, allowing you to control everything from navigation to music with just a few taps. And the advanced driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, help keep you and your passengers safe on the road. It's not just an SUV, it's a glimpse into the future of driving. So, what does the BMW X5 mean for you? It's a reminder that you don't have to compromise. You can have luxury and performance, innovation and tradition, power and elegance. It's a call to embrace a lifestyle that's as bold and ambitious as you are. It's an SUV that doesn't just take you places, it takes you on a journey. Whether you're driving through the city, heading out on a family vacation, or making a grand entrance at an event, the X5 is the ultimate companion. But before you hit the road, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. By subscribing, you'll join a community of car enthusiasts who appreciate the art of engineering, the thrill of innovation, and the beauty of iconic design. Stay tuned for more deep dives into the world's most legendary vehicles, and be the first to know about the latest advancements in automotive technology. The road ahead is full of possibilities, don't miss out. The BMW X5 isn't just an SUV, it's a dream. A dream that says you can have it all: luxury, performance, and innovation. It's an SUV that doesn't just take you from point A to point B, it elevates the journey itself. So, are you ready to experience the ultimate in luxury and performance? Because the X5 isn't just an SUV, it's a lifestyle. Subscribe now, and let's explore the road ahead, together.